Hi guys, if you want to connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 to your PS5, the process is really very simple once you follow the correct steps. So in today's video, I will show you exactly how you can set it up using wireless or USB. So first of all, you need to plug the USB wireless adapter into your PS5 and then you just have to turn on your Stealth 500 headset. Now, in most of the cases, it will automatically connect to the adapter within just a few seconds. Once connected, you will see the headset active on your PS5. Now, even after doing this, it doesn't connect, then you can move to the next step. If auto connection doesn't happen, you can just simply press and hold the power button on top of your headset, then press the pairing button on the USB adapter if available. Wait until the LED becomes stable. That confirms that it is the connection that is established between both of these. Now, after it is connected, you just have to open the settings of your PS5, then go to the option of sound. Inside sound, simply look for the option of audio output. Inside audio output, you need to select your headset as the output audio and enable both game and the chat audio. Then you can also adjust the volume and the mic levels as needed. If you face any kind of issues, you can unplug and reconnect the USB adapter, and you can also restart your PS5 and your headset. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.